Hi, this is Dean Moss, Dean's Team Chicago, Keller Williams Realty Partners with another Chicago Neighborhood Real Estate Minute. Are you considering laying sod around your home? Well, cooler fall weather is the perfect time to install it. It will give the sod time to establish itself before the cold weather kicks in, believe it or not, just another couple of months from now. The most important part to a successful sod installation is the soil prep. Most experts suggest completely removing old grass using a straight edge shovel or a sod cutter. This is a lot of work, but it yields the best results for you. Add some compost or fertilizer, till it in, loosening about 2 inches of soil. Make the soil even and about 1 inch lower than the surrounding concrete or paver sidewalks. Another method of removing the old grass is tilling it. This works very well if the area has few obstructions, roots, or rocks. Now you can purchase sod in bulk from a local sod supplier. Here in the Chicago area, there are several. You can contact our team for referral. If you prefer a retailer like Menards or Home Depot or Lowe's, make sure you purchase only fresh, recently delivered sod. To lay the sod, once you bring it home, make sure no ends of the pieces of sod are meeting each other at their ends. In other words, they butt up against each other, but they shouldn't be right next to each other, just like hardwood flooring pieces. Start with the longest continuous edge, use a utility knife to cut the sod, and make sure no edges overlap. Press the edges together with your feet. Make sure all the sod has good soil contact, none is sitting kind of up in the air. Roll the entire area with a special sod roller. Now you can rent one of these at a nearby home and garden store for not a lot of money. The next thing is the most important. Water, 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 water some more. Water your new sod at least 1 hour per day for the first 2 weeks. Avoid walking on your watered wet sod except to move your sprinklers around. Sod is especially delicate for the first couple of weeks after you plant it. You can cut it after 2 or 3 weeks, but initially be real careful, cut lightly. Never remove more than 1/3 of its length each time around. Have questions? Our on-team garden pro, Kathleen Weaver-Zek, can answer them for you. Call Kathy today by leaving a comment below, or you could private message us. You can also call 773-290-8393. We are online at deanteamchicago.com and on Facebook, facebook.com, Chicago Real Estate Team.